guys, let's start putting our cookie stuff on the dough onto the pan. All right, so let's get started, you guys. We're gonna put these in the oven and bake them on 350 for 11 minutes. There you have it, you guys. Soft, delicious lemon cookies. These are soft cookies, you guys. They're really hot right now, so I'm not going to take them off the plate until they cool. Soft cookies. Nice and brown. Soft in the middle. It's hot. See, they're soft. Soft cookies. Ow. It's very hot. But there you have it, you guys. Soft cookies. They're very good.